Surely my dishwasher needs cleaning. For your information, dishwasher needs to be cleaned every 6 months. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your dishwasher using liquid dishwasher detergent. I'm going to review this product, whether it's good or not. Let's start the cleaning. Remove the sticker over the bottle like this. Then place the bottle in the upside down position in the middle of the dishwasher like this. Switch on the dishwasher and set the temperature to 65 degrees, which is for 1 hour. Then press the start button and close it. It does make strange sounds, don't worry. So it shows that it's done. I must not open it now because it must be so full of steam this moment. Though I heard the sound that it's finished, but I'm still opening it after completing my whole work from the kitchen. Still, it has lots of steam inside. Look at the bottle, it's finished. It's clean, and it smells nice, though the door isn't that clean. Yeah, I think I'll give 9 out of 10. It worked well.